We'll have another proving session, and this time we'll consider, okay, this one, derivative of sine x with respect to x is equal to cosine x. We also have derivative of cosine x with respect to x is equal to negative sine x. So we will be dealing with derivative of trigonometric functions, particularly sine and cosine. So our objective is derive the derivative of sine and cosine functions. So at the end of this quick presentation, you will learn how to derive, how to prove the derivative of sine and cosine functions. So we'll start with sine function. So the derivative of sine x with respect to x is equal to cosine x. Is this really true? So we will prove. So for our proof, we will use the definition of derivative of a function. So we have the limit of f of quantity x plus h minus f of x over h as h approaches 0. So our function here is the sine x. Okay, let's proceed. The limit of, okay, we'll replace sine, okay, of quantity x plus h minus sine x over h as h approaches 0. So from here, you can observe that we have some formula in trigonometry. So this is the same as sine x cos h plus cos x sine h. To easily remember it, this is sin cos cosine. Okay, but distribute this x plus h, the angle, so xh, xh, and then copy the minus sine x over h as h approaches 0. And we'll continue. We will use commutative property, okay, for these two. So we will put this one here and this one here. So we have the limit of sine x cosine h minus sine x plus cosine x sine h over h as h approaches 0. So from here, we can observe that there's a common factor which is sine, okay, x. So we will do that one. So this one divided by sine x, we have cosine h, okay, minus 1, and then the denominator, of course, is h. We also have in here, we can factor cosine x, and we have sine h over h. We will do that one because we can get its limit, okay, easily. So from here, considering the structure, okay, we can apply the properties, okay, the rules in the limits. So this is the same as limit of sine x as h approaches 0 times the limit of cosine h minus 1 over h as h approaches 0 plus limit of cosine x as h approaches 0 and then limit of sine h over h as h approaches 0. So the limit of this is, of course, as h approaches 0, a different variable. So just copy sine x. And then the limit of this as h approaches 0 is 0 plus the limit of cosine x as h approaches 0, a different variable. So just copy cosine x. And the limit of this is very common as well. So that is the limit of sine h over h as h approaches 0 is 1. So from here, we will simplify this 1 times 0. That's 0 plus cosine times 1 is cosine x. So meaning, we have shown that the derivative of sine x with respect to x is really cosine x. So can you prove the derivative of cosine function? So you can show it by performing this. Prove the derivative of the function. Okay. Cosine x with respect to x is equal to negative sine x. So don't forget to like and share. Thank you.